One crowd of people, welcome back to my channel. Yeah man, this is Anjaniki Kwa for 876 Recipes TV. So in this video I'm gonna do mango passion drink, which is a popular flavor in Jamaica. So I'm using 1 gram mango, 12 passion fruits, and the juice of 2 green limes. I wash the mango, then peel it, then remove the flesh from the seed. I am cutting each passion fruit into halves and then scoop out the inside into the container with the mango's flesh. So I'm using 1 mango and 12 passion fruits because I want the juice to have more of a passion flavor. So if you want it vice versa, use more mangoes, right? And if you want to strike a balance, use less passion fruit. So you can use like 6 passion fruit to 1 mango if you want to strike a balance. But for me, I just want the passion to be loud and the mango to be in the background because I want more of a passion flavor. So now I'm putting some of the mango's flesh and the passion fruit pulps into the blender. So I'm gonna blend into steps. Yes, so I am using 2 cups of ice-cold purified water and mention the name of the brand so you know what's up. Then I'm gonna cover and whip for about 3 minutes or so. I strain twice, once using a strainer and then the second time I use a clean dish towel reserved to only strain drinks or juice, whatever. You can use a piece of cheesecloth if you have any as well, but you don't know, so that is so hard to find in Jamaica. You understand? And remember that you have to change them after a while. Yeah man. I am adding the juice of 2 green limes. Now look at the color. It is so pretty and the juice is very strong. I had to water it down a little bit more. Yeah man, because it was so strong. So now I am adding a little bit of granulated sugar to it because passion fruit is very tart or sour, as we say in Jamaica, so it needs a little bit of sweetening. You can use your favorite sweetener. Mango passion, this drink or juice is so refreshing. This represents tropical, this represents summer. This is the real deal. It is so hot and sticky in Jamaica right now. Thanks for watching. Remember to subscribe. Walk out.